Let's say, for example, for sale by owner says, look, Alan, I appreciate your time and I appreciate what you're offering to me and I really like it. But we really want to kind of give it a week or so and kind of see what happens. And we got one or two buyers that, want to write an offer on it. Give us about a week. And you're trying and they're just not agreeing to it. Okay. Always leave something of a value, leave something behind. Okay. And it's beyond the business card, by the way, beyond the business card. Like, for example, with our title company, what they do is they have these home selling guides, they have home buyer guides. All right. Anything that they can actually look at, see value in it, see your picture, your brand, your information, your phone number, leave it behind. If you have a pre-listing packet that talks about your marketing and services and really kind of shares the entire home selling process, leave that behind. The more information you leave behind, the better it is. Well, you're thinking, well, Alan, I don't want to be leaving stuff that other agents may have access to. Who cares? Everybody's got access to the same information. What the hell they're going to do? Okay, they're going to copy it. Big deal. You know how many times I would leave things and other agents would have access to it? So what? Big deal. It's not the end of the world.